Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making a recipe that's translated from Danish to English and is called Burning Love. It's a very traditional recipe and is over 100 years old and is especially good for cold winter nights. Now this depends on how many you're cooking for, but I have roughly 7 small to medium potatoes, 1 medium onion, some vegan bacon, parsley and some beetroot. I've also got some vegan butter that's going to go into the potatoes to make them creamy. I've put a pan of water on the hob and that's going to go to boil, and I'm just adding the potatoes to the pan. I'm going to cook them until they're soft and mash them later. Just going to add some salt to the potatoes and then put a pan on medium to high heat and add some garlic oil. I'm taking 3 strips of the vegan bacon or pecan, depending what you can find in your local store, and I'm just going to cut them into strips and cubes ready to go into the frying pan. Now I'm just going to cut up an onion into small strips which will go in the pan at the same time as the vegan bacon, and that's going to be browned off along with the bacon until the bacon is crispy and the onions are soft. So while my pan is heating, I'm just chopping up the parsley, which adds more flavour to the dish, and also dressing at the end when the plate is finished. I'm just going to add the onions into the pan and start them cooking. After the onions are in, I'm just going to add the bacon and then give it a good stir, and it will start cooking through really quickly, and we want again the bacon to be crispy and the onions to soften. So now the bacon and the onions are finished, I'm going to turn the heat off, and the potatoes are also soft, so I'm going to add some butter and I'm going to start mashing the potatoes until all the lumps are gone and I have a creamy mashed potato. And the potatoes are served onto the plate, and we add the bacon and the onions on top, and then we sprinkle some parsley, and the final ingredient, we're going to add some beetroot to the side of the plate. Surprisingly, the beetroot goes really well because it's quite a dry dish, but if you add the beetroot you get the juices from the beetroot which goes into the potato. Trust me, it tastes great. And that's it, that's how to make Danish Burning Love. I won't try and pronounce how it's actually called in Danish because my Danish is not good enough. But thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and give this recipe a go.